Crows have earned a reputation as one of the most intelligent creatures in the animal kingdom. But just how intelligent are they? Crows are renowned for their problem-solving abilities, which are often on par with those of primates and other highly intelligent animals. In a famous experiment conducted by researchers, crows were presented with a challenging task. They had to obtain a piece of food that was placed on a platform floating in water. To reach the food, the crows had to figure out a way to raise the water level. After several failed attempts, the crows devised a clever solution. They began to drop stones into the water, observing that each stone they dropped raised the water level slightly. This behavior demonstrates an impressive level of intelligence, as it requires the ability to understand cause and effect and to use this knowledge to solve a problem. New Caledonian crows have been observed using tools in the wild in a variety of creative ways. They are known to find small twigs and use them to probe holes in logs, extracting insects and larvae as a source of food. Additionally, these intelligent birds can manufacture tools by breaking twigs off bushes and trimming them to produce functional stick tools. New Caledonian crows have been observed using tools in the wild in a variety of creative ways. They are known to find small twigs and use them to probe holes in logs, extracting insects and larvae as a source of food. Additionally, these intelligent birds can manufacture tools by breaking twigs off bushes and trimming them to produce functional stick tools. Crows are also known for their ability to communicate and share information with other members of their group. They use a variety of vocalizations and body language to convey different messages, such as warning calls to alert others of potential danger or food calls to signal the presence of food. One of the most fascinating aspects of crow social intelligence is their ability to recognize and remember individual humans. Crows have been observed to react differently to different people, depending on their past interactions with them.
Marsliff's research has also shown that crows are highly intelligent animals that can recognize individual humans. Researchers wore a caveman mask when they trapped the birds.
Showed that it wasn't just that weird-looking face that they remembered, but they could remember and discriminate among all these kinds of faces, some of which are very similar.
Months later, long after they were released back into the wild, the crows would react when they saw researchers wearing the caveman mask around campus.
We learned that when they see the mask of the person that had captured them, they go crazy, basically. They dive at us and attack and shriek.
But even more surprising is how long that's persisted. Proof that crows that were caught by a person wearing the mask have communicated their negative experience to other birds.
That behavior in the field on campus here has persisted now for 10 years. And it's been passed on through the generations as a social tradition. So that everybody knows that this guy, when he wears the mask that caught them, is bad.
Crows have an impressive capacity for memory and planning. They have been observed to remember the locations of food caches for extended periods, sometimes up to 6 months. This is an essential skill for their survival, as crows often scatter their food in different locations to prevent theft by other animals. New Caledonian crows were given a series of tricky problems where each step wasn't visible from the others. They had to figure out how to avoid a fake tool that didn't work or a real tool that was in a non-working machine. The crows were smart enough to keep track of where the tools and machines were even when they couldn't see them. They used this knowledge to plan and carry out a sequence of actions with the tools. Crows are also capable of displaying emotional intelligence. They have been observed comforting each other after a stressful event, such as a predator attack or the death of a member of their group. Crows are highly intelligent creatures with a wide range of cognitive abilities. From problem-solving and tool use to social and emotional intelligence, crows demonstrate a level of intelligence that rivals that of many other animals, including primates.